Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Today, in this video, we will be learning Gems of Life, a book of moral values, class 8, chapter 1. Pray to God, that is praying. In this endless universe, man is like a small atom, but he possesses something very wonderful. The quality of intelligence in man enables him to understand the creator of universe. The question is, who is the creator of this universe? No doubt, it is God. The wonderful handiwork of God is seen in the colors of butterfly, in the colors of rainbow, in the high mountains and in their snow-covered peaks, in following rivers, in the trees swaying in the breeze, in the blossoming flowers. The sun, the moon, the earth, the ocean, all reflect God's grace and glory. We thank our friends, parents, teachers for all their favors for us. But how many times do we thank God, our Maker, for all His blessings? We should remain obliged and thank God for this wonderful world that He has given to us. We must thank God for many precious gifts that He has given to us as well. Let's sing these words of wisdom on the right side of your screen. Words of wisdom. O God, give me a heart that helps the distressed. O God, make me pious and power. O God, forgive me when I am unkind. O God, help me to forgive those who are unkind to me. How should we express our gratitude towards God? The only way to express our gratitude towards God is to pray to Him and be considerate to all His creatures. We must pray to Him every day. We must pray to Him, O God, you have neither a beginning nor an end. You are omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. O God, give us the power to love every creature. Grant us the strength to respect our elders. Give us a heart that helps the distressed and helpless human beings. O God, make me active and fit and pure, pious, punctual, polite. O God, forgive me when I am unkind and help me to forgive those who are unkind to me. The entire nature prays to Him when the flowers blossom, bloom, the clouds sail in the sky, the rainbow appears overhead in all its glorious colors, and lightning flashes among the clouds. Prayer is exhaling the evils of man and inhaling the goodness of God. Prayer is my strength with which I work and face life. Prayer is not easy substitute for work. It is not a shortcut to skill or knowledge. We should always remember God helps those who help themselves. A prayer makes a man polite and humble. We should pray to God with great devotion and reverence. Remember, a prayer is the only man's privilege in the universe. Animals can't do that. A prayer makes a person not only aware of his virtue but also of his defects and failure. In Gita, it has been said that we must dedicate our action to God. Never feel proud even for a while of having achieved something. This gives rise to your ego, and remember, this ego will definitely make you forget God, which would be a sin. You should always keep in your mind as food is necessary to keep the body healthy and strong. In the same way, prayer is needed to keep our soul good and pure. The moral of this chapter is always remember God our creator. भगवान को कभी नहीं भूलना, कभी नहीं. I hope this story or this chapter is useful, and children, do learn and share your experience with me. And the main points to remember from this chapter is prayer should be key of the day. It makes a man polite and humble, which means जो प्रार्थना है वो बहुत जरूरी है हमारे दिन के लिए. ये एक मैन और वुमन मतलब पर्सन को पोलाइट रखती है और हम्बल रखती है. Having achieved something, we should never feel proud even for a while. हम कुछ भी दुनिया में पालें, हमें उसका प्राउड नहीं करना चाहिए, हमेशा भगवान का थैंक्स करना चाहिए. Do not forget, when we pray to God with devotion right from the deep of our heart, He responds and shows ways to us. It's very true that कभी भी नहीं भूलें और जब भी आप प्रे करें तो दिल से करें और भगवान जरूर सुनता है और जरूर रिप्लाई करता है. And with that note, we finish this video. Thank you so much for listening to us. And if you want, and if you think that our videos are beneficial, then you can share with your friends and family and the kids. And you can also like, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and also comment whatever you want. You can see the exercise part, and if you want that ma'am please give me the answer of this exercise, then please do comment below. I will make notes of these with you all, the exercise. Okay, I hope this exercise which I am sharing is beneficial to you. You can complete your chapter without having the book from this video of ours. Thank you. Love, love. Have a nice day. Chapter 1, Pray to God. Moral Science, Class 8.